Those heavy winds now put Toronto under a wind warning with gusts up to 90 kilometers per hour. So literally hold on to your hats if you are outdoors. That has prompted the CN Tower to shut things down because of falling debris. The CN Tower tweeting out, due to a report of falling debris, please be advised that the CN Tower is currently closed and areas surrounding the tower have been closed as a precaution. There were reports that things were coming off the tower, and the tower saying that the team has identified the source of the debris and have secured the area.